Hi traders, and welcome back to Scalp TV. Today I want to show you the indicator that is suitable for crypto scalping. By the way, we published an instruction how to use crypto signals properly. Watch it till the end and you will figure out how to use crypto signals from this group correctly to save you time searching for a setup. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Let's start with a short plan for this video. First of all, we will discuss what are the indicators, what common things they have with the signals. Then I will show you the examples of indicator relevant for scalping. We will set an indicator, I will show you my settings, and finally there will be some examples and rules of use. Indicator is an additional tool for a trader to extract analytical information for decision making. It's not a strategy. The signal from the group is a screener-like tool, but not financial recommendation. It's made to let you search setups that you understand, in fact, and do it much faster. Unfortunately, many people use indicators and setups as a magic pill to shift responsibility. Remember that risk management and decision-making process is your own responsibility. Signals as a source of setups and indicators as additional tools are secondary. Always rely on your understanding of market mechanics, on your risk management and your experience. The indicator I would like to show you is called order block detector. It's not an oscillator and it will not give you entry points, but let's figure out how it works. Let me start with the very beginning. Many of you know that I really like trading smart zones. In many cases, smart money concept most popular graphical formation is order block. How it looks like? Order blocks refer to specific price areas where large market participants such as institutional traders or banks have previously placed significant buy or sell orders. Graphically, we can distinguish them by the following principle. In this video, I will show you the order block as the area from where the price changes its direction, forming such a threshold. It's hard for beginners to distinguish it, but using this indicator, it will be much easier. First of all, we should understand the logic that order block always grab liquidity. As you see, there was a kind of level, then we grab a liquidity. It usually accompanied with higher volumes here, and then the price gets back to this diapason, breaking the structure, and usually when the price gets back to this zone, it's almost always get a pullback. The indicator that we use could be found in this tab, in Indicators, Order Block Detector from Lux Algo. We select this. It shows us long order blocks in green and short order blocks in red. We go to Settings, Inputs tab. I have chosen such parameters for sensitivity. It's very suitable for scalping for 1 or 5 minutes time frames. What we should do? First, we should find the logical formation without relying on indicator. We turn off the indicator. First of all, order block shouldn't be a shadow. It should be a structure made up of candles in a logic area, where it potentially grab the liquidity, as I said. Liquidity are the orders accumulated in the areas with no price reach for a long time or above, below different strong levels. It could be just empty space. Let's see the examples. Where here I see order blocks. This is a good example of order block. We mark this order block. There was a kind of horizontal level. It infringed this level accompanied with the higher volumes. And then the price gets back to this range, forming this order block. On this instrument, I see two other examples of order block. As you see, this order block and this much more. This one is absolutely perfect. As well, we see another example. Here there was a kind of local level order block with a change of direction from this point. This is our order block as well. Absolutely ideal. And as you see, there was a workout. we got back to this area and we pulled back from this order block. There was about almost 3% of movement. Okay, we just selected several order blocks. That's how we select them. Logically, searching for our formations. There are 3 formations, 3 zones from where we can potentially wait the pullback of the price. Now we turn on the order block detector. And of course, we see that there is a noise from this detector because it's not a human being, it's just an indicator. And we see that from 3 order blocks we just selected, we see that here we have the coincidence. We select those setups where our vision of order block coincides with the order block detector. That's our setup. We select this setup for workout. So what we should do, we are expecting the price to correct to this level. Here we place our limit order for purchase. Let's point out the borders of this area. When the price gets back to this area, here we should place our limit order for purchase with our working volume. When this limit order is activated, we place stop loss behind the zone, take profit in the place, reaching the ratio 2 to 1, saving really good risk-reward ratio. That's all. That's extremely easy. What I mean? I mean, if we have a zone of about 2.3%, our potential take profit should be doubled, 4 and 6%. Here will be our take profit. This situation will give you a really good risk-reward ratio. Probably it will give you good win rate if you select those formations where your vision of order block coincides with the vision of order block detector. And of course, this indicator will help you to correctly confirm your order blocks. This is the example of a trade where I use the order block to get a pullback from this smart zone. The order block I detected using this indicator, and there was a really instant reaction from this order block, as you see. By this moment, I already placed the stop loss in green zone. There was already absolutely good profit with no risk. The reaction was really insane, as you see. Unfortunately, there wasn't full potential of this trade. There wasn't a 2-by-1 ratio because the BTC reversed against me. But anyway, the profit was really good. What conclusion should we make? As you see, it gives a lot of noise. Never perceive the zone detected by indicator as an entry point. Always select only those order blocks that are logically explained and coincides with the parameters of order block detector. I hope this video was of great use. Please write your ideas about the next videos. See you soon.